your girl Laces the Waist coming at you with another workout with a twist. We're doing 6-minute standing abs. I hope you guys are ready. Everything is going to be standing. I'm excited to do something different. Let's get it. Alright you guys, so we're going to start off first with jumping jacks. Remember to keep that core tight, those glutes engaged, and let's get ready to sweat. Keep it up you guys, keep moving, and remember to breathe. You got this. Next, we have front leg kicks with a clap. Remember to breathe and just go at your own pace. Keep it up. Yes, you guys, keep it up. Keep challenging yourself. You got this. Awesome job, Fit Baby. So coming up next, we have standing squats with punches. Remember to keep that core tight, keep those glutes engaged, and keep pushing yourself. You got this. All right, you guys, keep pushing. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You got this. Alright guys, looking good, looking good. Up next, we have squats standing with a twist. So we're going to focus on one side for 30 seconds, and then we're going to switch over to the next side. Remember to keep those abs tight and those glutes engaged. Let's work. Looking good, guys. So we're going to switch over to the opposite side for 30 seconds. Stay focused, stay low. Let's get it. Oh my goodness, guys, you are killing it. So up next, we have wood chop squats. We're going to work each side individually. Starting with one side, you're going to go up and down at a diagonal angle. And remember to keep that core tight and engaged. Take your time, go at your own pace. You guys are killing it, fit babies. So we're going to switch over to that other side. I need you to keep that core tight. Remember to breathe, go at that angle, and keep moving. You got this. Oh my gosh, thank you guys for working out with me today. I hope you enjoyed that 6-minute standing ab workout. I don't know about you, but I'm sweating my butt off. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.